Noticed bitter flavor, weak pressure, or slow frothing? It might be time for a full clean, not just a quick wipe or descale. Here's a step-by-step deep cleaning routine for your Ninja Luxe Premier to keep it running like new. Step 1. Clean the portafilter and baskets. Remove the portafilter and both filter baskets. Rinse them under warm water and use a soft brush or cloth to remove built-up coffee oils. Dry thoroughly before reusing. Step 2. Scrub the brew head area. Use a damp cloth to wipe around the group head and the rubber gasket where the portafilter locks in. This clears any old grounds and helps maintain a strong seal. Step 3. Clean the grinder chute. Turn off and unplug the machine. Use a small brush or vacuum attachment to clean the grinder chute and dosing area. Wipe around the grind selector and tamp station as well. Step 4. Empty and wash the drip tray and used coffee puck container. Remove both and rinse with warm soapy water. Dry before reinstalling to prevent mildew or odors. Step 5. Clean the water tank and filter holder. Remove the water tank and clean with mild soap and water. If your model includes a filter, check if it needs replacing or rinsing. Let the tank air dry before refilling. Step 6. Wipe the steam wand and run a cleaning steam purge. Wipe the wand, soak the tip in warm water, and run a 2 to 3 second steam cycle. Use a cleaning pin if needed to clear clogs. Step 7. Run a descale cycle if it's been over a month. Full descale instructions are linked in the description. This clears any internal buildup and helps restore pressure and flavor. How often should you deep clean? Once every 1 to 2 weeks for daily users. It prevents buildup, keeps flavor consistent, and extends your machine's life. Support and the full owner's guide are linked in the description below if you need help with any step. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance guides. Got another issue? Drop it in the comments. We might feature it next. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your coffee.